Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on settings icon. Here you can see the blocked users option. Tap on it. Now click on the profile of the person that you want to unblock. Then tap on dustbin icon in the top right corner. And if you're sure, click on unblock option. So that is how you can unblock someone on hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.